So hello, here we go theme park. It's like a theme park channel, and today I'm going to show you about this power band, and I'm going to show you how it works. And yeah, I like this box. It's very clean. The design is very simple. And look at these pictures. There's like Mario and Peach Castle and Bowser Castle, or maybe in Japanese it's Koopa Castle. And then yeah, we have these like a Nintendo official. It says official Nintendo licensed product. Oh, that's so nice. Yeah, I like the design. It's very simple. Now I'm gonna try to open it. Let's see. Oh, nice. So this is the power band. Yeah, inside there's a Peach Castle, and also there's the Universal Studios logo on it. So yeah, this is the power band, and I'm gonna try to wear this. So it works like this. You tap it, and you put it around, then ta-da! That's how you wear it. It's so nice because they didn't make it like a watch, because I think if they make holes and make it like a watch, maybe the kids will tear it down, or maybe it could break easily, maybe. But this is very strong, and the surface is like rubber, so it's very soft, but it's strong at the same time, so it's very nice. So and it says Super Nintendo World, and it says Yoshi. How nice is that? They even printed the names on it. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you how to link this power band to my USJ application. So first of all, right now there's a QR code on the back side here. So I'm gonna scan that from my cell phone. So now I read it, and then after you read it, you'll get this kind of screen. So now, since I'm Yoshi, I have Yoshi on my home screen, you know, and then you can see your ranks. So for example, since I'm Yoshi, I'm ranked number 2. So this is like, this represents all the Yoshi players inside the park. So it's very interesting. And also you could see like the daily ranking, also the all-time ranking, the Mario Kart ranking, and the Bowser Jr. minigame rank. So it's very interesting since you could see all these ranks. Then you could check your map. If you see the map, you could find out where all the coins are. And yeah, this is where you could edit your player name. Since my name is Here We Go 3, I put my name over here. And then I could even change my Yoshi design. Since I like Yoshi walking, I would choose this one. And then you could also change your background color. Since I like purple, I would choose purple because it's very wild. I like wild colors. If you guys like wild colors, press like. So I'm gonna press OK. And then if I go to my home screen, it's purple at the back side. So the price is 3,200 yen. It's a little bit expensive, but it's very worth it because you can use it like forever, anywhere else, and also you can use it at Donkey Kong area too, I think, in the future. That's why it's very worth it, because it's not just the Mario area, Donkey Kong area as well, maybe. And I wish I could use this not only in Japan. I wish I could use this in Hollywood and Orlando and Singapore as well. I wish if I use it at like 4 locations, I think it's super worth it, and you could use it forever. So that's why I recommend you this power band, guys. So now I have the power Yoshi.